Hey guys, AngelWolf here with a quick little video to show you how the quest system and dialogue system are progressing. So let's get right to it. These are still objects I'm setting up, so don't mind all this extra gobbledygook. So we're in the game now, and we can walk over to these three guys over here, and the dialogue starts up. I haven't set up the audio and the animation, but this is still proof of concept that it works, and they are timed to go off like this. So this is background dialogue here, and if I walk away, it stops. Walk away again, it starts all over from the beginning. This guy is his head's supposed to animate, but it doesn't work. And we walk up to the trainer. Hey, you over there. He says, hi, let's talk. I hit my interact button, and up comes the dialogue. Good day to you. And I hit next. It advances to the next line, which is the player, but this is all just based on the example table. So we hit next, and the dialogue continues to update. Have a few questions. Well, ask anything you like. Tell me about the dialogue system. If you have more questions, I'll be waiting here. And exit. So that is functional. That is actually happening on the server entirely. If I pull up the dialogue manager here, and we go to the event graph, and yeah, it's snapping on me here. I like it when it does that. All right. So this is dedicated server set here is what sends the code to the server. It only runs on the server. This is a replicated actor, this dialogue manager here. If we come over here, we can see that it replicates. So the actor is existing both on the client and the server, but because of this macro right here, all the code that happens after it is only happening on the server. So everything that has to do with this entire dialogue system runs on the server, and back and forth we have a series of buttons that are attached to the dialogue, and those widget stuff happens only on the client. So it sends a message to the controller, dialogue close button pressed, and it closes the dialogue. And then when we're dealing with the replies, here we are, dialogue reply pressed. So if I double click that, we can see the event I've created. It's a custom event, and it sends an event to the server that the dialogue reply button has been pressed. And on the server, it calls the advanced dialogue function, which moves it on to the next dialogue. And then finally, when it's advancing the dialogue, if we go to the dialogue manager and the advanced dialogue, there's a function here to update the widget. We go in there and update widget, update background dialogue widget on the controller again. So it sends this to the controller, and the controller sends it to the client, and the client updates. The client sets the dialogue, and it shows it on the player's screen. So that is pretty much what I was trying to accomplish before NorwestCon, and I believe I have done. Now I have to basically do the same exact setup in the quest system and tie the two together and enable the sound and do all the little background details that I've skipped over to just get the functionality working. So that's my update, and I will talk to you guys later.